Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A business pays $800 to an individual landlord. What form should be issued? Let's start with D. No reporting is required. Actually, it is. It's a business. It is required. And it's not only business, the amount is more than 600. So we can take out D. Well, we could also take out C because W2 as employees. We're not dealing with employees here. Therefore, C is out as well. So now we're between 1099 NEC at 1099 miscellaneous. Is this a non-employee compensation or is this a form of miscellaneous income? This is miscellaneous income. Non-employee compensation is for contractor. Rental is rent. Therefore, the answer is B. You need to be familiar with these forms if you're using Farhat Lectures. You can ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. If you are studying for the exam, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional MCQs, resources, lecture that will help you prepare and succeed. Don't shortchange yourself. No one can take your success from you, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.